Hi friends, and welcome to the third day of introductions for Mama Elephant's September 2025 release. Today we are introducing Santa's Friends and its coordinating creative cuts. Let's take a look at this stamp set. This set includes 3 sentiments as well as 8 images. The little car with the reindeer goes perfectly well with the We Ride stamp set that was introduced earlier this year. For this video, I'm coloring the little bunny in the sleigh, and I'm using the same color combination that I used on the other images. The Copic color numbers are in the description below. We add some rosy cheeks and our bunny is finished. For this video, I'm not including the white gel pen highlights because the video will be too long. But here you can see the end result. For my background, I'm using Mama Elephant's Stardust Trail Cover. I'm adding some color to the background using Distress Oxide ink. This is Prize Ribbon. Next, I'm coloring in the mountains with Copic Markers, but you can also use Distress ink for this or any other medium you'd like. I forgot to mention that I stamped the sentiment in the corner beforehand, and now I'm adding some Salvaged Patina Distress Oxide ink, and this helps me not to cover up the piece where I want the sentiment. So if you stamp it beforehand, if you can, this helps with the positioning. Some white acrylic paint for splatters in the background really helps to make this a winter sky. And this is the part I always love the most, removing the tape so you can see your final result. I add my panel to a standard sized card base using tape runner. Next, I decided the sky was still looking a little too empty for me, so I took out my stamp set called Written in the Snow, which is an older set, and it has these beautiful sentiments, and I really love using the Believe sentiment because it really goes well with Christmas cards. And it's just the right size to add a little extra. Once the heat embossing is done, we can decorate our card with the images we colored. And that finishes my card for today. I really love how this turned out. I hope you do as well. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will not see you tomorrow because my friend Jen Lee is doing tomorrow's video. So I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye!